All right, we're doing Leaf Metal Draft Jumbo for Athletic. Good luck, Dale. Oh, this sounds like the... Well, actually, they all have the one-on-one slab, right? The production proof or whatever. Down to 5 on the hoops mixer. All right, let's take a look at what this is. All right, we got... Look at that. That's not bad. Marcelo Mayer. 101. Green Mojo production proof. This is a good start. Tell you, this stuff's nice, man. See some nice stuff come out here. I didn't say I knew who they were. I just think the cards look nice. All right. Kevin Alcantara. Pink. 220. 3 out of 20. Joshua Baez. XRC. We have Matt Nelson, XRC. Looks like Black Wave, maybe. Ran out of supplies, yeah. 4 out of 7. We got Manuel Mercedes. Harry, we got 5 left in that break. It should break tonight. Michael McGreevy. Silver Wave. I don't think these are numbered. Nope. Mitchell Bratt. XRC Mojo. Probably not numbered. Nope. Schwellenbach. Blue. It's numbered at a 35. Eddie Leonard. National Pride. At a 1 out of 15 on that one. And Samuel Munoz. State Pride. 6 out of 20. All right. That's your box, sir. Thanks again. Appreciate it.